In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade the firmware of your IKEA bookshelf speaker. So let's do that together. Alright, so first of all, what you need, of course, your IKEA bookshelf speaker or IKEA picture frame speaker. You can do both of them on the same ways. So to make sure that your speaker is powered on, as you can see from the light, it is already powered on. Okay, so let's check that on the back. One more thing that you need to have, it needs to be connected on internet connection, so wired connection. Alright, so let's do that. And okay, that is connected. So it is like as you can see, it was turned off and now is it turning back on, and it is solid white, so it means it is turned on now. So as you can see that I got my iPhone already connected, and what you need to do, you need to open up the Sonos app. And not the Sonos app S1, but the Sonos app. So let's open up the app. Okay, so as you can see that I got the system which is called dining room, and that is this one, and we need to upgrade that one. So click on the systems, and as you already can see that it is showing it needs update. So let's click on needs update. Symfonisk Bookshelf, that is this speaker once again. So let's click on that. Okay, so it is already connected. Click on it and then say update. And you get a notification, we found an update, so let's blah blah blah, let's update. So it's getting no connection to IKEA server or wherever it is. As you can see that the light is now blinking orange, white, orange, white. So it means that it's actually updating the speaker. So let's wait for it until it is upgraded. And as you can see on the note, it says do not unplug anything during this 2-3 minute update, which means that this upgrade will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So it depends on your internet connection. As you can see, it is already downloaded and is installing, and it should be finishing the update in a couple of seconds or maybe even minutes. So let's wait for it. And why I have actually updated my device, just say about this. Today I was facing some issues that when I was playing the music, and it was actually not playing well. So it was like playing, stopping, playing, stopping. So if you are facing this kind of issue, it means that you need to update the firmware of your IKEA bookshelf or IKEA picture frame speaker. So as you can see that the light is not blinking anymore, so it is not amber. Alright, as you can see that your product, that your Sonos product are now up to date. So it's done. So let's click on done, and the Symfonisk Bookshelf speaker is finished and ready for use. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please give a like, share, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for visiting, and have a great day and great weekend.